Okay, so we finally got the Craftsman chainsaw running. So I'm gonna start it up for you. And then after, I gotta tell you what my dad did with this. Okay, right now I'm gonna tell you what my dad. So, my dad, a couple years ago, during Halloween, would take this, he took off the chain, and he would hide over there, and he would hide behind bushes, and when people would get their candy, he would jump out and scare them like this. Helps turn it on. And then the little kids got scared and ran, but then we never did that again because they got really scared. So, thanks for watching.